In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of Canva to transform your creative ideas into reality using Canva AI. Now, whether you're a seasoned designer or just someone who occasionally dabbles in graphic design, this quick guide will give you a glimpse into the exciting possibilities Canva AI has to offer. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to go to your Canva home. If you're not familiar with the home page, it's essentially the central hub from where you can access all the tools and features Canva provides. A simple way to get there is to open your preferred web browser, type in the Canva web address, and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Canva home screen, ready to explore all its creative possibilities. Now, the next step is a simple yet crucial one. Locate the Canva AI option. You'll find this right above the search engine in the middle of your screen on the home page. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on Canva AI is like opening a door to a new canvas where your imagination can flourish. As you click, think about the immense potential at your fingertips. Anything you can visualize, Canva AI is here to help bring it to life. At this point, let your creativity take the reins. Imagine an image or a concept you've always wanted to see designed. Describe that vision right there in the platform. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Describe what you have in mind, and Canva's AI will do the hard work for you. Maybe it's an abstract notion, a mood, or a specific image. Describe it the best you can. Once you're satisfied with your description, simply hit Submit. This process allows Canva AI to sift through its vast resources to generate an image that closely resembles your vision. And there you have it. You're done. Witness the power of technology transforming a mere thought into something tangible you can use in your projects, presentations, or anything else you fancy. With just a few clicks, Canva AI becomes an incredible tool in your design toolkit, enabling you to create visual content even if you're unsure where to start. Feel free to experiment and play around with different ideas. Each new creation is a step forward in your creative journey, giving you more scope to explore and innovate. To sum up, Canva AI provides a seamless and exciting way to get creative with your ideas, allowing you to focus less on the technicalities and more on the concept you wish to convey. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!